Your alarm rings. You open your eyes. What's the first English phrase you should think? You eat breakfast. What do you say? You go to work. What phrases do you need?
Most people learn random English words and phrases, but they don't know the English they actually need for their daily routine.
Today, we're teaching you English from morning to night. Every phrase, every word, every expression you need for your entire day.
This is Good Morning to Good Night, English for your day. Let's start your English day.
What's up, everyone? I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. Welcome to Talk Fluent. Today's lesson is super practical because we're covering your whole day in English.
By the end of this video, you'll have all the phrases you need from waking up to going to sleep.
We're going through a typical day step by step. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Real phrases for real life.
Ready to live your day in English?
Let's go. Morning, waking up.
Your day starts when you wake up. Here's what you say.
Good morning. That's the first phrase of the day.
Time to wake up. Say this to yourself or to family members.
I'm awake. Simple statement about your status.
What time is it? Check the time right away.
It's 7 o'clock. Answer with the time.
I need to get up. Motivate yourself to leave the bed.
Just 5 more minutes. Everyone says this.
No, get up now. Being strict with yourself.
Okay, I'm getting up. Finally leaving the bed.
Morning wake-up phrases. Good morning. Time to wake up. I'm awake. What time is it? I need to get up. Just 5 more minutes. Get up now. I'm getting up.
Morning, bathroom, and getting ready. After waking up, you go to the bathroom.
I need to brush my teeth. Daily hygiene.
I'm taking a shower. Or I'm taking a bath.
The water is hot. Or the water is cold.
I need a towel. Getting what you need.
What should I wear today? Choosing your clothes.
This shirt looks good. Deciding on outfit.
Where are my shoes? Looking for items.
I'm almost ready. Nearly finished getting dressed.
Bathroom and dressing. I need to brush my teeth. I'm taking a shower. The water is hot. I need a towel. What should I wear? This shirt looks good. Where are my shoes? I'm almost ready.
Morning, breakfast. Now it's time for breakfast.
I'm hungry. Expressing your need for food.
What's for breakfast? Asking about the meal.
I'll make some coffee. Preparing your drink.
I want toast and eggs. Stating your preference.
This tastes good. Enjoying your food.
I'm full. You've eaten enough.
Time to go. Need to leave for work or school.
Breakfast phrases. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast? I'll make some coffee. I want toast and eggs. This tastes good. I'm full. Time to go. Morning, leaving home.
Before you leave, here's what you say.
Do I have everything? Checking your belongings.
Where are my keys? Common morning search.
I need my phone. Essential item.
I'm leaving now. Announcement of departure.
See you later. Saying goodbye to family.
Have a good day. Wishing someone well.
Bye. Simple farewell.
Leaving home. Do I have everything? Where are my keys? I need my phone. I'm leaving now. See you later. Have a good day. Bye.
Afternoon, at work or school. During the day, you're at work or school.
Good afternoon. Greeting people you meet.
How's your day going? Casual check-in.
Pretty good, thanks. Standard positive response.
I'm busy today. Describing your workload.
I need to finish this. Talking about tasks.
Can you help me? Asking for assistance.
Sure, no problem. Agreeing to help.
Thanks so much. Showing gratitude.
Afternoon at work. Good afternoon. How's your day going? Pretty good, thanks. I'm busy today. I need to finish this. Can you help me? Sure, no problem. Thanks so much.
Afternoon, lunchtime. Midday, you need food again.
I'm hungry. Same as breakfast, but for lunch.
Let's get lunch. Suggesting a meal.
What do you want to eat? Asking preferences.
I'm thinking pizza. Stating your choice.
Sounds good. Agreeing with the choice.
I'll have water. Ordering a drink.
This is delicious. Enjoying the meal.
Lunch phrases. I'm hungry. Let's get lunch. What do you want to eat? I'm thinking pizza. Sounds good. I'll have water. This is delicious. Evening, coming home.
Evening arrives, you return home.
I'm home. Announcing your arrival.
How was your day? Asking family members.
It was good. Positive response.
I'm tired. Expressing fatigue.
Me too. Agreeing with someone.
What's for dinner? Asking about the evening meal.
I'm making pasta. Stating the dinner plan.
Coming home. I'm home. How was your day? It was good. I'm tired. Me too. What's for dinner? I'm making pasta.
Evening. Dinner time. Dinner time is family time.
Dinner's ready. Calling people to eat.
This smells amazing. Complimenting the food.
Pass the salt, please. Asking for table items.
Here you go. Handing something over.
Thank you. Showing appreciation.
You're welcome. Responding to thanks.
I'm stuffed. Can't eat anymore.
Dinner phrases. Dinner's ready. This smells amazing. Pass the salt, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm stuffed. Evening, relaxation time.
After dinner, you relax.
Let's watch TV. Suggesting entertainment.
What's on? Asking about programs.
I don't know. Not sure response.
Let's see. Checking options together.
This looks good. Finding something interesting.
I agree. Sharing the opinion.
Evening relaxation. Let's watch TV. What's on? I don't know. Let's see. This looks good. I agree. Night, getting ready for bed. As night comes, you prepare for sleep.
I'm sleepy. Feeling tired.
I should go to bed. Recognizing bedtime.
Let me brush my teeth first. Evening hygiene.
I'm going to bed. Announcement of sleep.
Good night. Wishing someone sleep well.
Sleep well. Another bedtime wish.
Sweet dreams. Kind nighttime phrase.
See you tomorrow. Until next day.
Bedtime phrases. I'm sleepy. I should go to bed. Let me brush my teeth first. I'm going to bed. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow.
Night in bed. Finally, you're in bed.
The bed feels comfortable. Enjoying rest.
I had a good day. Reflecting positively.
Tomorrow will be good too. Optimistic thinking.
Time to sleep. Ready for rest. Good night, world. Final thought.
In bed phrases. The bed feels comfortable. I had a good day. Tomorrow will be good too. Time to sleep. Good night, world.
Your daily English routine. Now you have English for your entire day.
Morning. Good morning. Time to wake up. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast?
Afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm busy. Let's get lunch. How's your day?
Evening. I'm home. What's for dinner? Let's watch TV. I'm tired.
Night. I'm sleepy. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams.
These phrases cover your whole day from sunrise to sleep.
Use them every day. Make English part of your daily routine.
The more you use them, the more natural they become.
Soon you'll think in English automatically throughout your day.
Let's review your English day.
Morning. Wake up, bathroom, breakfast, leaving home.
Afternoon. Work, school, lunch, staying busy.
Evening. Coming home, dinner, relaxation.
Night. Getting ready for bed, sleeping.
Each part of your day has simple English phrases.
Use these phrases every day and your English will improve naturally.
You're not studying English. You're living in English.
That's the best way to learn.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Tomorrow morning, start your day in English. Say good morning out loud. Make it a habit.
If this video helped you, Hit that like button and share it.
Subscribe to Talk Fluent for more practical English every day.
From good morning to good night, you now have English for your whole day.
See you in the next one.
Bye.